Alright, we are back with another video. Let's put some light on here. Okay, so as you guys can see, things have been going very good. Lotus have been blooming. The lotus are looking really nice. There's less lotus on this side because I actually sold a couple. Oh, there's Roblox. He's enjoying the bubbles. He's hungry right now. I think we'll feed him some food today. So, and I can tell whenever he's like he does things like this. I'll show you guys real quick. So if I take the pliers, oh, and I do like this, yeah, he's very hungry. Okay, we'll feed him today. But today for the video, we'll be talking a little bit about how to reduce I guess canister noise or filter noise. I know for a minute my filter was very loud, and I was like, man, this sucks because I have a cabinet obviously, and then if you put your canister filter under the cabinet, you would think it would be less noisy in your room. And obviously the noise that you hear in my room right now, it's because of the air pumps. And obviously I have these two tanks right now because these little fish are in quarantine mode, the two humpbacks pufferfish, and obviously this is loud, and then you got the water here, so it's kind of loud in my room right now. But what I did for my canister filter, I have Oasis, so which is a really nice brand. So what you do is basically what I was I was doing some studying. Obviously you have to clean your filter. It helps with just kind of if there's debris in there clogging some stuff, the motor. Obviously then the motor is working a little bit harder. I don't recommend cleaning the motor every week. Again, you want to keep the natural bacteria. So what I did was I bought these I guess these room proof, especially if you're musicians and stuff, or if you do podcasts, you can get these foam pads. And what I did was I basically bought these foam pads off Amazon. And again, you guys can check out our Amazon link. Will be in the description. And I put these foam pads under the cabinet, and I have one on my door here, and they're I think 12 by 12, and I was able to cut a couple pieces. What I did, I put a bunch of foam pads under here so it's absorbing the sound. I think I have some on this side too. Yeah, I have some here, and I have some also at the top here. And obviously if you listen right now, it's kind of loud, but it's because of this air pump. Air pumps are just generally loud, but if I turn it off, it's completely silent. And it actually helps with the air pump too, at night when I close these, if I close these doors, it helps, it helps. So yeah, so I was just I just wanted to make a video on just how simple little things you guys can do just to help your sleep. Or just if you're annoyed by all the noise, these things are amazing. And you just basically, there's tape or whatever, these little stickers, put it on the pad, and then the pad absorbs, I guess, the noise. So yeah, I just wanted to make a quick video and just tune in with you guys, show you guys the new fish, Roblox has been doing really nice. He had a little bit of fungus, we cured that already, he's good to go. And then next week I'll be doing internal parasites, so he'll be eating food, and then basically you mix the cleanse, and then you mix it with Seachem Focus. So we have Seachem Focus right over here, and this will go in the food. And again, it's just to take procedures just in case there are internal parasite in his body. I don't have to do it, but you can do it for 3 days. He's eating, so I don't think he has internal parasites, but I just want to make sure that he is healthy. And then a lot of people have been saying he's very skinny, and yes, obviously I got him The owner that had him before, he said like this was a brand new order and he came really skinny. But what you do is you basically soak the food in this stuff here. Where is it? Yeah, this stuff. So this is Vitamix, and basically this is like a bunch of good like vitamins, and basically you soak the food in here and it helps the fish get a lot bigger. And that's what I did for Oz, and Oz is the biggest fish between all the fish except Finn. I think Finn is still the big boy, but Oz is also 1 year old, and Oz is freaking massive. I don't think you guys can see Oz. He's over here. But Oz will be in a new home soon, so Oz won't be in the tank anymore because we'll have the 2 humpback pufferfish on this side of the tank, and Oz will be rehomed into a new house. So yeah, so this is kind of just a little update. Just everything's going really nice. We are gonna be announcing a couple things on Instagram, especially with the Discord. Like there's gonna be a new community for people that wants to grow on social media. We'll be giving you guys some tips and pointers. We're also gonna be having another collaboration with UNS very soon. We're probably gonna be getting some all-in-one aquariums, and yeah, like I just want to show you guys some aquascaping videos, and also just get better with just aquascaping in general. Like I've never really done aquascaping the proper way, like when you have the soil and then you put like the control base, the aqua soil, and then you plant some plants in there, and then you use CO2. Like I've never done that, and I want to get into that just because I feel like that's a big piece of this hobby, and it's also something that I can get better at. So I'm looking forward to that collaboration. I'm going to be getting the Puffer Brother rug very soon, next week. That's coming in as well. Shout out Mary for doing the rug for the Puffer Bro. And then on this side, where this is where my office space is kind of messy right now, we have the Puffer Brother logo, and Canva and Decker were nice enough to send us another acrylic print, and I will be either replacing this. I mean, it is kind of cool. I like this, the weekend, but I might put something else on this side, and it'll be the UNS logo. We're getting, I think it's the same size as this poster here, but it's in acrylic, so I'll be putting the UNS logo, and then Tyler will be getting Fluval. So I'm looking very forward to all these collaborations. We're super grateful for, you know, everything that's been happening this year for us. A lot happened, obviously, from Reebok's passing away. That kind of just, you know, changed everything for us. But obviously came more opportunities, like these 2 little humpbacks. I think you guys won't be able to know. They're like hiding. You can see his little tail here. But I'm very happy to showcase the humpback pufferfish. They're just such cool creatures, and I think it'll bring a lot of joy to our page. So yeah, I just want to kind of just tune in. Again, thanks for watching all of our videos. I hope you guys enjoyed the last video I posted about this. It's just like the potato puffer. It was kind of like a documentary style video. But again, I just wanted to tune in and give you guys this little point about the filter, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.